Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Asu's back. I'm back. I have this 2006 Land Rover Sport V8, and I'm gonna do the oil change. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick in this vehicle, more or less. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, bang it, and the feedback put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up later. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. So I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Enjoy the video. I hope you like it, like I said, and see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astu. Boom. Hey, yeah.